Hey everyone, hope you're having a great day. So I have this Ford Focus here in front of me and it runs terribly. It's setting lean code, PL171, and then I forgot there's a secondary code. I don't remember the number off the top of my head. So I want to show you something here. So here she is. You can hear it just running terribly. You can see it vibrating in that. Now I happen to notice that two new headlights and a new grille. And it looks like it's got scratched on the top of the bumper. And also, I see witness marks on these bolts here. And the inner, you can't see it, yeah, the inner structure there looks like it was crinkled slightly. So now, when I take some trusty brake clean, now watch this. The mass air meter is all the way down at the bottom on this, down below the hose. You can just see the connector there. So now, let me just spray this. Watch this. Oops. Hear how smooth it is? Smooth right out. Now once the brake clean dries up, goes away, it'll start running like a bag of shit again. So we have got, I guarantee you, this air box has got a brake in it somewhere. So I'm going to wind up taking this apart. I'm going to inspect that air box and see what I got going on. Alright, so I pulled the air box out. I want you to look at this. Alright, so this piece here, you can actually see the stains where the brake clean was. And the brake clean had actually washed some of the dirt away and it ran down here. Now check this out. There's a big break in this thing. Right there. So basically unmetered air was entering the intake system after the mass air meter. So if you look down in there, sorry for the sun glare, I can't do anything about that. But if you look in there, there's the mass air meter inside that tube. So if the brake was before that, nothing would really happen. It really wouldn't change much of anything. But since the brake is after it, and we got unmetered air going in through there, you know, that's what's creating the issue. The computer doesn't know how to compensate for the extra air entering the system. So now I'm going to see, we may actually have a Ford Focus on our property where I can steal this box from, but I'm going to have to search around and see what I can find. So anyway, I hope you guys are liking my videos. If you could, hit the like button. If you could, please subscribe. If you want to join our Facebook group, Backyard Mechanics, go right ahead. Make sure you answer all the questions and don't block your profile. We won't let you in. I guess that's it for now. Hope you guys have a great day and keep wrenching.